Basically, we thought we would. You see, there is a lot of confusion in the air. Our Honorable High Court has directed shops, outlets to be sealed if they don't have consent to operate from the Goa State Pollution Control Board. The board has issued many a closure order. The Mamlatdar has also initiated, or the revenue authorities have also initiated the implementation of this order. But somehow I got the impression that the shopkeepers, the stall owners were not clear what they had to do. So we thought that today we would meet here, tell them what are their duties. We also have Member Secretary of SGPDA, Mr. Ali, and he has been very forthcoming. In fact, I have to give credit to the chairman also of SGPDA, Mr. Raji Salkar, who came forward and in fact told me that we should initiate a dialogue with everybody so that we try and resolve this issue. One of the things that has to be done is the stall owners have to apply to the Goa State Pollution Control Board for the consent to operate. I think you all were witness to what transpired. I have assured them that whatever cooperation is required from the side of the government will be extended. But they have to help themselves. If they don't apply, they don't move fast, the revenue authorities will proceed to close the balance stall.